There are a group of proteins that are naturally produced in the body and prevent cancer and prevent cancerous tumors. If you would like to understand how these proteins are produced and what food sources help in the production of these proteins and what actions cause the body to stimulate their production so that the body can naturally fight cancer, be sure to watch this video until the end, and if you have not yet become a member of the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hello dear friends, I hope you are healthy. Today I will talk about heat shock proteins called heat shock and cold shock proteins. If you like the topic, be sure to watch the video until the end. One of the proteins that is produced in the body under certain conditions is the cold heat shock protein. This protein is produced in cells in response to cold stresses. These proteins play an important role in regulating cellular metabolism, cell survival, and maintaining the structure of proteins in adverse conditions. These proteins also protect cells from cold-induced damage and help cells better respond to critical conditions. The second group of heat shock proteins are a type of protective protein that is produced in response to heat stress or other abnormal stresses in cells. These proteins prevent the accumulation of defective proteins. These proteins help cells better adapt to adverse conditions and damage caused by temperature, toxins, and other stressors. How are cold shock proteins and heat shock proteins produced in the body? Cold and heat shock proteins are produced in times of environmental or internal stress. When cells are exposed to heat, cold, or other stressor, the gene expression of these proteins increases through specific signaling pathways. What are the ways to produce more of these proteins? To increase the production of cold and heat shock proteins, regular exercise in cold and hot weather, and a nutritious diet can be mentioned. For example, interval training in cold or hot weather can stimulate the production of these proteins. Methods such as proper hydration and consumption of antioxidants can also be used to help improve the production process of these proteins. What are the benefits of these proteins for the body? Cold and heat shock proteins have several benefits for the body in addition to their anti-cancer properties. They help maintain the correct structure of proteins and prevent cell damage caused by environmental stresses. Also, these proteins can help improve the functioning of the immune system and inflammatory processes and facilitate the process of wound healing and tissue repair. As a result, these proteins act as biochemical protectors in the body. To increase the production of cold and hot shock proteins, certain food sources can help boost this process. The first category of these sources are fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants and vitamins. For example, berries and vegetables such as spinach and kale. The second category includes foods containing omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish such as salmon and sardines, due to their anti-inflammatory properties, can have a positive effect on the production of these proteins. Also, nuts and seeds such as walnuts and flaxseed. Protein-rich foods such as dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, and plant-based protein sources such as legumes also play an important role in increasing the production of these proteins. Additionally, certain spices and herbal compounds, such as turmeric and ginger, can help produce these proteins due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Drinking enough fluids and staying hydrated is also known to be a key factor in optimizing the function of these proteins. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it interesting.